Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? Today is Wednesday, so I have a new lesson for you guys of the chapter 2 and still section 2.12. Okay, guys. So we're gonna get started and reading, and hope you guys understand a little bit of it. And we almost finished chapter 2 already, and we talk about the drill and how the drill, how the distance of a hole and stuff like that. So so we're gonna get started this lesson. So បងប្អូនជម្រាបសួរទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយទេបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃពុធទៅហើយខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូមួយដ៏ខ្លីសម្រាប់បងប្អូនអានតាមខ្ញុំនិងមើលតាមខ្ញុំដើម្បីយើងរៀនអំពីដែលយើងខៃចូលក្នុងឧបករណ៍យើងខៃចូលក្នុងហើយទំហំប៉ុន្មានហើយនឹងចម្រៅប៉ុន្មានបងប្អូនណានឹងយើងចូលរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយនឹងបើស្ដាប់ខ្ញុំអានហើយនឹងបងប្អូននឹងអាចអានតាមខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំអាចបកប្រែនៅក្នុងกระดาษរួចហើយបងប្អូនអាចមើលវីដេអូចុងចប់ហើយនឹងអាចយកกระดาษនឹងបានមើលនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនោះទៅហើយបងប្អូនអាចយកជាអក្សរខ្មែរអានមើលតាមខ្ញុំហើយនឹងរៀនតាមខ្ញុំដែរតែបងប្អូនមានចម្ងល់អីសូមទាក់ទងខ្ញុំក្រោមនឹងមកហើយនឹងខ្ញុំអាចបកប្រែជួយបងប្អូនតទៅទៀតបងប្អូនណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅរៀនទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូន Okay 2.12 drilling operation. Drilling is a process to produce hole or enlarge existing hole. Commonly used drilling operations include drilling, center drilling, countersinking, and counterboring. Factors to be considered in drilling. 1. In initial condition of hole, the initial stage of hole may have one of three forms: casted hole or forged hole in which rough hole dimension has been formed. This hole can be produced by using correct side drill or two flute in mill. Pre-drill hole in which hole, normally of large diameter, have been drilled by a small drill. The final drill is done by using a correct side of drill. Blank stock. Drilling hole on a blank stock may require using more than one drill, depending on the size, accuracy, and surface roughness of the hole. Required accuracy of hole. Drilling tends to produce oversized hole with this location of hole center. Hole oversize and run out are two parameters in measuring the hole accuracy. When the required accuracy of hole with respect to diameter and run out is within 5,000 in the center drill is required to locate the hole center. Hole size. The hole diameter decides the number of drilling required to produce the hole. Generally speaking, a 1-inch diameter is used as a critical dimension. Only one drilling is required for any hole size that is smaller than 1 inch of diameter. To drill a 1 1/4 inch hole, for example, require 2 drilling. First drilling with a 3/8 inch drill and then final drilling with a 1 1/4 inch drill to produce the finished side. 4. Hole depth. Only one drilling pass is required to drill a shallow hole. As the depth of a hole increases, peg drilling is used to clear chips and avoid packing. Peg drilling is recommended when the depth of a hole is greater than 3 to 4 times the diameter of drill. The distance of each peg range from 1/2 to 1.5 times the drill diameter, depending upon the chip formation and rate of a drill breakage encounter. Note that the cutting speed and feed rate for drilling depth hole should be reduced according to the ratio of hole depth to drill diameter. Safety, drill lips and penetration distance. In drilling with NC machine, the tool moves rapidly to reference level and then feed into the workpiece until it reaches the hole bottom. 3 distance should be carefully determined to optimize NC use. Safety, drill lip, and penetration distance. អានេះកន្លែងរូបភាពមួយដែលគេប្រាប់បងប្អូនថាពេលដែលគេខៃនឹងចម្រៅប៉ុណ្ណាហើយនឹងប្រវែងណាបងប្អូនណាហើយកន្លែងណាដែលគ្រោះថ្នាក់នេះកន្លែងនេះគេដាក់ឲ្យដើម្បីខួសពីកន្លែងនេះគឺថាគ្រោះថ្នាក់បងប្អូនណានេះ drilling diameter full diameter ពីនេះទៅក្រោមណាបងប្អូន nên là cái lại lip biết á trong mặt biết lại này ấy zero distance vì vài này một bốn nên là cái đôi kia ra đôi kia safety distance. The safety distance is measured from the reference level to the work surface and should be as short as possible to increase NC efficiency. The safety distance is determined by the surface condition of the workpiece and calculate as follows. 4 millimeter for flat cast and machine surface, 5 millimeter for rough surface. Drill lip distance. The drill point angle is near ground to 118 degree or 59 degree on each side of the standard line to drill lip distance can be calculated from. As you can see, this example right here, right there, that you example, drill diameter in or millimeter. L by L right there, drill lip distance inch or millimeter. Penetration distance. Penetration distance is the allowance that permits the drill to move to extra depth to remove the burst produced during the time when the drill penetrates through the hole. Generally speaking, the penetration distance is equal to the safety distance that is. There is an example right here, guys. 4 millimeter of flat cast and machine surface, 5 millimeter for rough surface. The drill distance or a blind hole consists of 3 components: safety distance, depth at full diameter, and depth for drill lips. Okay, where L right there is drill distance, LS is safety distance, LD drill depth for a full diameter, LL depth for drill lips. The drilling distance for a through hole is the sum of 4 components and can be found. It's right here, LD depth hole, LP penetration distance. Okay, this lesson is about right here, guys. So that's all I have for today. You read about the how you can drill, how deep it is, and how many tools you have be drilling. You can drill one and then you drill the second. So as I mentioned earlier. អូខេបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះកន្លែងដែលយើងចប់រំលឹកហើយបងប្អូនដែលរៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំហើយនឹងអានជាមួយខ្ញុំមានដែលអក្សរខ្មែរដែលបកប្រែឲ្យហើយដែលអាចបងប្អូនទៅមើលបានហើយនឹងយល់បាននឹងហើយម្ល៉េះហើយខ្ញុំមិនបាច់ជានិយាយភាសាខ្មែរឬក៏អានតទៅទៀតទេបងប្អូនអាចមកមើលកន្លែងបានខ្ញុំនឹងយកបងប្អូនមើលតែខ្ញុំទៅសេរួចអស់ហើយហ្នឹងហើយម្ល៉េះហើយបងប្អូនអាចមើលយកទៅមើលទៅពេលបងប្អូនមើលវីដេអូនឹងចប់ហើយបងប្អូនអាចយកពីនេះបានបងប្អូនអាចផ្តិតគឺយកបានដែរផ្តិតពីវាទៅហើយនឹងយកទុកជាការរៀនសូត្រទៅបងប្អូនឬក៏បងប្អូនចង់មើលវីដេអូនេះបន្តទៀតហើយឬក៏បងប្អូនមើលហើយមើលទៀតទៅបងប្អូនចាំបានណាបងប្អូនឬក៏ចម្លងទុកជាការមួយដែលល្អដែរពីព្រោះជួនកាលយើងពេចបងប្អូនណាហ្នឹងហើយនេះជាការរៀនមួយយើងចិត្តជាប់ប្រហើយហើយខ្ញុំបានបកប្រែទុកបងប្អូនហើយបងប្អូនអាចយកទៅមើលបានតាមចិត្តហ្នឹងហើយបងប្អូនមានចម្ងល់អីសូមទុកនៅខាងក្រោមហើយបងប្អូនចង់ដែលបានអ្វីក្រៅពីនឹងទៀតសូមបងប្អូនទាក់ទងខ្ញុំអ៊ីមែលរបស់ខ្ញុំឬក៏បងប្អូនអាចនឹង comment នៅក្រោមបានដែរហ្នឹងហើយវីដេអូនេះមានខ្លីទេមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងបងប្អូនខ្ញុំសូមជួបបងប្អូនលើកក្រោយទៀតហើយនឹងបងប្អូនសុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយនឹងយើងអាចរៀនតទៅមុខទៀតបងប្អូនណាហើយសំខាន់នោះគឺថាបងប្អូនណាដែលចង់រៀនសូមចូលមករៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំផងនឹងអាចបានចំណុចចិត្តដឹងច្រើនដើម្បីទៅធ្វើការបានបងប្អូនណាហើយកិច្ចការហ្នឹងក៏បានផ្សាយដែរហ្នឹងហើយបើសិនជាបងប្អូនចេះហើយសូមបងប្អូន share នឹង live វីដេអូនេះដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនខ្លះដែលមិនទាន់ដឹងមិនទាន់ឮឲ្យគាត់ដឹងផងណាបងប្អូនណាសូមអរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយជម្រាបលានិងជួបគ្នាលើកក្រោយទៀតបងប្អូនសប្បាយ